Hi, this is Amy with the J. Michael Manley team at Keller Williams Greenville Upstate. Welcome to 306 Beechnut Court in Wellford. Come join me for a tour. As soon as you enter the home, you're greeted by a large great room with a beautiful gas log fireplace. And the house flows right into the dining room, gives you beautiful views out to the outside, and the flow continues right into the kitchen. Once you enter the kitchen, you're greeted by a large open workspace and an eat-in area, and the flow continues right out to the outside. Beautiful full-length patio, fenced-in backyard to sit and enjoy peace and quiet of your new house. Once you reach the top of the stairs, you have a bedroom off to the right and a bedroom off to the left. Following down the hallway to the master, you have a linen closet, laundry room, and a full bath, followed by another bedroom. At the end of the hallway, you get to step into your spacious master bedroom. In your spacious master bedroom, you have a big walk-in closet and your own relaxing ensuite.